going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on this site, Paidviewpoint. Link to it will be in the description if you would like to sign up and make free money with it. I'm gonna do a cash out, but I'm also show you how easy this site is. I mean, you see here I have $15.37. I'm actually gonna cash out all of that. You see here I have 3 surveys waiting. Now the thing about this site is you will never ever get disqualified for a survey. That's how good it is. So those of you who struggle with surveys, this is definitely the site you want to sign up for, because you're never going to have the disappointment of starting a survey and not being able to finish it because you don't qualify for it. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to do a survey on here. So I'm going to do one of them real quick. And the thing about it is, I mean, they'll have surveys that go on through the day. You just have to basically catch them when they're available. But I'm just going to show you how easy it is to do a survey. It don't even take that long, and usually, I mean, they're about 10 cents at the minimum they'll pay you. But like I said, I got 3 surveys waiting, so that's at the very minimum 30 cents. You know what I'm saying? You kind of check, periodically throughout the day. Sometimes you'll have surveys that pay more. Those surveys obviously take a little bit longer time, but the thing about it is at the bottom of the survey, you'll kind of see the timer ticking down. But anyway, I'm just going to show you one of these surveys real quick. Do it. Which one you purchase about? I'm just going to basically click, most of these. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm trying to keep moving fast, just to show you how easy it is for to do a survey on here. Let me see. Now the thing about these surveys, a lot of times they'll give you a survey and they're trying to direct you to another one. So they'll kind of ask you some questions to determine like which one is actually which survey would be best for you. So you might be doing some of these and then you just find out, oh, they direct me to a survey that's going to pay more than 10 cents. So but usually it's about 11 to 12 questions for the 10-cent survey, so it doesn't take a long time at all. Just kind of showing you, I mean, when I'm doing this survey on my own, when I'm not recording, I kind of do it slowly and actually kind of look at some of the questions. But for the purpose of the video, I'm just trying to keep moving a little faster so you don't have to see a long survey. But I'm going to show you that I'm qualifying for it regardless. That's the whole point of me doing this video, just showing you that I'm not going to get disqualified no matter what my answers are. But you still want to be truthful, because when you are truthful, you have a trait score that continues to go up. You see mine is at 10,000. It's the highest you can get. In each survey that you do, your trait score will continue to rise as you just do surveys, and that's the point, to get your trait score as high as possible. So I'm just doing all these real quick. And I should be getting towards the end of the survey now. I have been on the cruise past 2 years. And there it is. So your trait score is at the maximum. You already reached 10,000, but you see there I just earned 10 cents. And that took me like, what, maybe 2 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So I got 1547 in my account. Like I said, sometimes there's surveys that pay a little bit more, but the very minimum you'll get is 10 cents, and it does add up. I mean, it really does. I got 2 more surveys. I'm not going to do those for this video. I'm going to cash out now, just to show you how easy that process is as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the home page, click on Paidviewpoint right here, and I'm going to click on earnings. And you see here are the options that you have to cash out with. You got PayPal, you got Amazon, you got Walmart gift card. So I'm gonna click PayPal, and I'm not sure, but I think like once I click cash, sometimes my your information will come up, like your email address, and sometimes your address will pop up from time to time. So let me just see if that comes up or not. Okay, it actually didn't. So you see there, congratulations on your cash out. Please allow the 72 hours for it to go into your account. And you see there, my account is back at 0. I've made $78 with this site so far. I'm continuing to use it. I just found out about it, not too long ago, like less than a year ago. So 72 hours for it to get to my account, and that's it. And I still had those 2 surveys waiting to get my account back, with some more money in it. But I just wanted to show you guys that. I mean, if you guys, especially those of you who are struggling with surveys, I know there are a lot of people out there. I mean, me myself, I don't have, you know, days where I qualify for every survey. I mean, I get disqualified as well on some sites, but this is the site that you want to go to because you will never ever get disqualified. And that's probably the best thing about surveys. If you can just do them, you never get disqualified. I think a lot more people would be enjoying them more. So definitely sign up for this site. Like I said, the link is in the description. Every survey that's going to be available to you, you are going to qualify for, and it's going to be a minimum of 10 cents, a very minimum. Like I have lots of surveys where I get, you know, $1.30 or, you know, 50 cents. Yeah, they're more than 10 cents, but the very minimum is like 10, 11 questions, 10 cents. You know what I'm saying? So definitely sign up for this site. Like I said, the link to it is in the description. If you're interested in making free money, completely free on your tablet and your laptop or your phone, definitely subscribe to my channel. You know, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. So you can always, you know, see how I'm, you know, showing you guys how to make money completely free, basically being your own boss. All right, so sign up with the link in the description. Get started today, and always remember, every penny counts.